that the South African Social Security Agency, SASSA, and Cash Paymaster Services Pty Limited, CPS, are under a constitutional obligation to ensure payment of social grants to grant beneficiaries from 1 April 2017 until an entity other than CPS is able to do so.
And with that, the country's highest court moved to defuse a crisis over social grants. All this emanated from a contract issue. The government contract with the company that delivers the grants is due to expire on 31 March, and the state agency was supposed to take over. But that agency is just not ready, so the government wanted to rehire the private company. But the Constitutional Court had declared the original contract invalid, and the government failed to find a replacement. Now, the court has ruled the invalid contract be extended for another 12 months until the government agency can take over. While some have criticized the fact that, in effect, the court has given an extension to an invalid contract, for others, the court has simply chosen to prioritize the welfare of 17 million South Africans, the most vulnerable people, who include single mothers and pensioners. Pensioners such as 73-year-old Nkala. Her dependents include another elder in the family and 3 of her grandchildren. Had the Constitutional Court not intervened, Nkala and millions of other South Africans would suffer.
It would be very difficult for us if they were not going to pay. Everyone here depends on me, so I hope government will really pay.
It's actually victory for the whole country. It's victory for the beneficiaries that would have been very much disadvantaged. And we are very happy that what we've always been saying has actually been vindicated.
Government agency has admitted its shortcomings.
No, I am embarrassed, and it's not supposed to have happened, but it has happened, and that is what's under the bridge. What is good right now is that the court has ruled that 1st of April we must pay the beneficiaries, and we're paying the beneficiaries. We'll be paying them. My guys, as I'm talking to you, they are in the office starting to pull the trigger.
The court will closely monitor CPS and SASSA. Yolisa, Njamela, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.